In this video, we'll walk through 3 phases of building a Valcom IP paging, alerting, and notification system. We'll cover preparation, choosing access methods to originate messages, and choosing endpoints to deliver those messages. As with any successful project, thorough preparation is key. A vital step in that preparation is determining what you want the system to do. The best method of doing this is by conducting a site survey at the facility where the system will be installed. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to a Valcom site survey form. It's designed to help you collect important information that is used to tailor the system to the specific environment and achieve operational requirements. A site survey ensures a clear understanding of the facility's layout, which is essential for designing an effective system. This includes identifying key areas where speakers, strobes, LED signs, or other alerting devices are needed. It also helps you identify potential dead zones with poor sound or visual coverage. One of the most important benefits is that a site survey provides an opportunity to involve facility managers, IT staff, and other stakeholders in the planning process. This all helps to ensure the system will meet the operational needs and expectations. Another vital step in preparation is to ensure that the network the system will be installed on is configured correctly. We outline the necessary network speed, port access, and protocols required to ensure your system runs smoothly and reliably. You'll find these details in the network requirements document, which is also linked in the description of this video. This document should be shared with all project stakeholders, especially those responsible for managing the network where the system will be deployed. Additionally, this document offers best practices for tasks such as developing a dial code plan and balancing the system properly to achieve consistent and appropriate volume levels throughout. Make sure to review the network requirements document thoroughly. It can save you time, money, and resources. Choosing access methods for your system involves asking one key question: where will live voice pages and messages come from? Choosing the right access methods ensures that the system is intuitive, reliable, and meets the specific operational needs of the facility. One of the most popular uses for Valcom systems is live voice paging, where someone picks up a telephone, dials a code, and speaks a message that is heard over the loudspeakers throughout the facility. This requires an interface between the facility's telephone system and the Valcom system. Since telephone systems come in many different varieties, Valcom offers a device called the Universal Paging Interface that will allow integration with most of them. This device provides physical ports to interface with an on-premise analog telephone system and SIP capability, or Session Initiation Protocol, to interface via network with either on-premise or cloud-based VoIP telephone systems. The Universal Paging Interface also offers other features, such as input for background music and night ring functionality. Another access method for live voice paging, if full telephone system integration is not necessary, is through the use of one of our interactive consoles. Live voice pages can be made similar to a regular telephone by entering a specific dial code to reach a specific area or zone. However, our interactive consoles can be programmed with shortcut buttons that act essentially like speed dials for voice paging. This eliminates the needs for a user to know the dial code number, since shortcut buttons can be labeled with the name of each zone or area. You can also program buttons to play pre-recorded voice messages or audio files that you've uploaded to the device. If your system requires visual notifications, an interactive console will give you the ability to create and send text to devices like our VL520, which is a speaker with an integrated LED sign and flashers. Keep in mind, a single Valcom IP system can support multiple access methods, such as a universal paging interface for live voice paging through a telephone system, and interactive consoles for sending coordinated messages to LED signs. Now that we've determined how messages originate, we can choose the endpoints that will deliver them. In situations that require audible and visual notifications, our VL series speakers with integrated LED display and flashers are a fantastic choice. They provide high-quality voice paging and customizable visual notification in an all-in-one package. For areas that require audio only, Valcom offers the largest selection of IP speakers in the industry. One of the most popular is our 2x2 lay-in speaker that is easy to install and provides excellent sound quality in areas with drop ceilings. For large indoor spaces, like warehouses and manufacturing areas, our Sound 360 line provides high-quality audio for background music and more than enough volume for loud and clear voice paging. Valcom manufactures many more endpoints to meet the needs of almost any application. You can browse this selection by going to our website. In some situations, you can reuse paging infrastructure that's already installed throughout a facility if it's known to be in good working order. A Valcom IP system can accommodate this by adding one or more of our paging gateways. Our gateways provide a means to convert digital audio that is sent over a network to analog audio that is played over these existing systems. Several versions are available to support multiple applications. Once again, the Valcom website is where you can find information on all of our gateways. This short video is by no means everything that you'll need to know in order to build your Valcom IP system, but it's a solid start. Every facility has unique requirements, so be sure to explore additional resources and documentation to tailor your system to your specific needs. Check the links in the description for helpful resources, including the site survey form and network requirements document mentioned earlier. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and click subscribe for more Valcom content just like this. Thanks for watching.